Hi Kipsters, it's Ms. Hankapiller here. I am now going to walk you through how to find the main idea of the book we just read, Can You See in the Dark by Carolyn Janes. On the left-hand side, you see my pizza diagram, and you will see that there are 4 steps to find the main idea. Let's read those. Look down here. It says, how do I find the main idea? Look at the title and headings. Let's do that. First step, we look at the title and headings. Well, what's the title of this book? That's right. The title is Can You See in the Dark? I'm going to remember that, and now I'm going to look for headings. Remember, headings are at the top, just like your head is at the top of your body. Headings are at the top of some of the text. So let's see if we can find headings in this text. Are there any headings here? I don't see any headings. I'm just flipping through to see if there are any headings above the text. Nope, no headings. Okay, so I'm going to write down the title and the fact that there are no headings. Okay, great. So the first step is done. We have written down, Can You See in the Dark, which is the title, and there are no headings. So I wrote none. Let's look at step 2 up here. Look at the pictures. All right, let me look in the book and look at some of the pictures. Right here, I see the hand in front of the door. There's some light coming through. Right here, I see the boy under the bed, and there's some light also. Here he's lying in bed and there's light. Ooh, I see. What do you see in this picture? Yep, that's right. You see that it is almost dark, but the stars are a light source, so they give us some light. Okay, and then here there's the light source of the campfire and the flashlight. Here the author said that there are street lights and the car is giving off light as well. A lot of light sources. Let's go to the very end of the book. Let me see. On these 2 pages, it is completely dark. Let's go to the beginning. On the first page, it is also completely dark. Interesting. Let me write that down too. Okay, I've now written down my observations about the pictures. I have written, I see places that I think are dark, but I can still see sometimes because there are light sources. I only see darkness on the last 2 pages. I'm going to type here and on the first page. Okay, back to our thinking steps. The third thinking step is look for words used more than once. Let me do that. Let's see. Let's go to this page and see which words we see more than once. Yes, I agree. I see the word light lots of times. Light, light. Let's see. 3 times. Then I also notice that there is the word see here and down here and down here 3 times as well. Wow. Let's see if there are other words that come up more than once. Source. I see source, source, and source or light source. I see the word evidence a lot too. I see dark, dark, darker, dark again, sources again. Wow, then there's light again. I'm going to write some of these words down that I heard or saw more than once. All right, now the only thing I still need to do is read the first and the last sentence again. That's our last thinking step, and then we will know what the text is mostly about. Let's see. First sentence of the book is, well, it's a question. Can you see in the dark? Okay. I'm going to write that down right here. Read the first and last sentence of the book. The first sentence is, can you see in the dark? Go to the end of the book and look at the last sentence. Here it is. Let's read it. What is the last sentence of the book? That's right. It is, you need light to see! Exclamation mark. Okay, well, now that I have gone through all of my thinking steps, I should know what the main idea is. And that means, what is this text mostly about? Let's look at our work one more time, and then it's your turn to answer the thinking job. Our title is, Can You See in the Dark? There are no headings. In the pictures, I see places that I think are dark, but I can still see sometimes because there are light sources. I only see darkness on the last 2 pages and on the first page. Words that are used more than once are the following: light, dark, light source, evidence, completely dark, and the word see. The first and last sentences of the book are, can you see in the dark? And the last sentence is, you need light to see. Think of all this, and now it's your turn for your exit ticket. Write down what this text is mostly about. You got this. Go ahead.